Hello kids! It's me, the Orb Seeker. How are you? Today, we are going to read What Matters by Alison Hughes and Holly Hatham. A crumpled soda can lay in the grass, glinting in the sunshine. A boy ran down the path. He saw the can, picked it up, and tossed it into a nearby recycling bin. It was only a little thing, a small thing. The boy didn't know it mattered at all. But it did. It mattered to an ant carrying breakfast to his family, and to a snail spared a long and tiring detour. It mattered to a spider who had worked all morning spinning an intricate web. And to a worm whose wormhole might have been plugged. And to a curious dog with a very delicate snuffler. It mattered to a hungry, nibbly mouse who might have gotten sick. And to two baby birds with sensitive new eyes. It mattered to 73 blades of grass and to a dandelion that would have wilted. It kept the drain from clogging, which stopped the garden from flooding, which saved the flowers that danced in the breeze. The boy didn't know it, but he helped. He helped a tiny stream flow more freely to a river, and the river flow more smoothly to the ocean. He helped a tiny crab to scuttle in a clear tide pool, and a big ocean fish to swim in cleaner water. He helped the vast ocean throw one less piece of garbage onto the beach. He made the earth just a little more blue, a smidgen more green. Picking up that crumpled can was only a little thing, a small thing, but it mattered. More than the boy ever knew. The end. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to read with us again, don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next episode.